Pull up and out, pull up and out, shit out. Pull up and out, 21. Pull up and out, pull up and out, pull up and out.
All right, so I'm going to try something. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but yeah. It's probably wet right now, but I just wet sanded the over fenders in the wing. I'm gonna get out this rain. As you guys can see, like, my shoes are so, like, you probably can't hear it, but my shoes are literally filled with water. So yeah, I wet sanded the fender, so you already know what that means. So as you guys can see, I primed the fenders. So I'm going to do a quick high grit wet sand, then apply a lighter coat sandable primer on top, and then I'm going to spray the paint on it. I did the primer in white, has some streaks in it, so I'm going to try to use the color match cans and aim it a little farther away. But yeah, and after this I'm also going to have to reinforce the backs of the front over fenders. So let's get into painting it. I'm not really doing too much of the thing because the sun's about to go down, so let's just get into it. And with my luck, it starts to rain. Like, there's no rain on the forecast, but lo and behold, it starts to rain. The paint looks good though, and luckily the clear coat mostly dried, so I'm just gonna have to like wet sand that later and do a couple more. But yeah, that definitely sucks. But you know, lucky me. Definitely does look good though. All right, people, it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better. I'm sure on camera it looks way better than it does in person, but that's how it looks for now. I did the fenders, and I don't like how it's all gray, so I'm definitely going to have to add a lot more aero. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this. I might carbon fiber wrap it and then add make a gurney flap out of this piece of metal I have, or get a piece of aluminum or something, make like a gurney flap that comes like up to here, so it will be a little more aggressive. But yeah, I like the look. It's a lot cleaner, makes the car look a little better. You guys can probably see like the color difference of it, but yeah, I need to get my front splitter, my side splitter. I need to mount the diffuser. I need to get some canards for the front. I need to make some custom side like splitter add-ons. I need to do the roof in either carbon fiber wrap or black with glitter. I need to get the carbon fiber mirrors. I have another secret mod that I'm going to do, and I'll just show you guys when I do it. This front bumper setup is going to be changed, like the look of it. So I'm going to paint this a different color, and I'm going to get the Rocket Bunny front bumper as well. And the reason I'm going to change this is because, as you guys can see, like this piece where I did the thing on the outside, I did that on purpose because of the look that I'm going for. So when I change it, you guys will see it's supposed to be messy, because the way that this thing came, since it was free, I just decided I'm going to do it a little bit more raw. And you guys will understand when I get it. It'll make a little more sense. But here's the car as it sits, all precision gray or whatever the duple color thing is called. So I'm guessing that's the color of the car. But yeah, I'm gonna buff and polish the hood. The polisher thing is right there. My dad got me that. Shout out to him. Thank you very much. Need that, even though they broke my hose. So I'm gonna have to most likely just get a pressure washer or something. But yeah, here's the car. Quick little walk around. I gotta most likely get to a lift to mount the diffuser, because I don't know where exactly I'm going to mount the inside part, but I'm going to mount the outer part on the bumper tuck. But yeah, I'm really digging the way the car looks. Also, I'm not sure if I showed it, but I did the grills in matte black, so you can kind of see it there. And I'm actually going to paint like the inner fenders a different color. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might probably do it in like red or gold. Not sure. I'll decide later. But I'll probably do it in red. I don't know. I haven't decided what color, because I know I'm going to paint it. I just don't know what color. So yeah, when I decide that, I'll do it and you guys will see. And I'm probably going to get louvers as well. But anyhow, I'll upload this video, and whatever I do next will be in the next one. So yeah, because I haven't uploaded in a while. So thanks for watching.